Hi everybody, I was so excited to see that for the first time in Phoenix, Arizona, we're seeing Halloween and fall decoration in June. Usually we don't get our Halloween and fall decoration until September, and I was definitely super excited to see all these colorful signs about Halloween. They were just 99 cents. This is perfect for like a kid's room, which I regret not getting. I'm showing you right now lots of party decorations banners that were 99 cents. I took one of these door decorations. I really like to decorate my children's room. Last year, because of COVID, I went like crazy with decoration, and I am going to do it again this year. This wreath, it's $1.99. It's pretty big, and I like it even more than those that they sell at the Dollar Tree. The bottom one has the sugar skulls. These are some cleans for your windows. Definitely, they had a lot of Day of the Dead decoration, Dia de los Muertos. I apologize for my English isn't the best, but I am excited to share with most of you, a lot of you that share the same happiness when you see Halloween decoration as me. Here's some Nutcrackers. They were $3.99, $2.99. I'm not really into this, but I just want to show you. I definitely like the Dracula right there. These signs are only 99 cents, and I think it's a great price. They had this big canvas. I definitely thought that one's pretty nice. I think it was $4.99. The gnomes, you are going to see a lot of gnomes. I had to stop myself from buying one, and I'm glad I did, because Sway to the 99 cent store just show his update or his recent fall and Halloween decoration walkthrough in one of the showrooms for the 99 cent store, and they have some other gnomes that I am more interested in getting rather than these ones, although they're really cute. How about these canvases only for 99 cents? You can just go ahead and grab it, or you can DIY with this. This is a pretty nice size, and they're really sturdy. I love these garlands with the ghost, and they also had it with the pumpkins. They were 99 cents each, but I didn't get it. I really like the ghost. I feel like I could do without the change. They have more canvases of Dia de los Muertos, or Day of the Dead, but definitely these ghosts are so cute. They light up. They were only 99 cents, and they were good quality material. I didn't grab one, and now I'm regretting myself. That always happens. I go to the dollar store, and then I see something I like, but then I don't grab it. All these signs that they have here from Dia de los Muertos, they were each 99 cents. They're a big size, and again, if you can actually use the back, to use it for another holiday. The light up canvas are back. I do remember seeing this last year. I couldn't turn on the lights. It didn't have the batteries on the back, and it didn't have any batteries to try it on, but they're pretty cool. They have this trick or treat book like gift boxes for 99 cents, and some of these vintage signs for 99 cents. They were very sturdy, very good material. If you're into vintage Halloween, oh, look at that mess that I made right there, guys, and I didn't fix it. I was definitely going for these boo signs. I saw somebody sharing on Instagram, and of course I put it in my basket because that was one of the things that I have on my list. I like these signs. They were plastic material, only 99 cents. They had different designs, and in the top, I don't show it much, but they have those wooden beads. Definitely a lot of wooden beads decorations. This was made out of felt, again vintage looking, 99 cents only. And they had this garland for 99 cents. It was 5 feet long. I didn't get it. and I feel like I might go back because it's definitely an easy way to put some throw there some Halloween decoration around your house. I like this. Was so nice, and I didn't get it. It was $1.99, but look at all the beads that it had on the top. This is definitely a good price, and also these little signs, $1.49. I don't understand how the pricing goes, because it was only like 50-cent difference between the big one with the cat that I just showed you and then this one. So I don't know, I'm a little bit shocked about the prices. Like this was 99 cents each one of them, and again it has the beads, which I feel like you'll find things like this at Hobby Lobby or Michael's, Joann's for much more price. Expensive. Again, lots of Halloween decoration for parties, and this is one of my favorite finds. This is a stackable Halloween pumpkins. You can definitely use this through Thanksgiving, fall, and Christmas, and then when it's time to put it apart, it's not gonna take much space on your storage. Here we have more Dia de los Muertos. Like I think I already said this like a million times. It definitely had a lot of Dia de los Muertos decoration. One of these cones, I definitely like them. I don't remember they have this last year. They light up, and again, I couldn't show you how they look with the lights on because it didn't have any batteries. Here's more of those table runners and center pieces or placemat settings for 99 cents. That necklace is back. A lot of party favors for 99 cents. And this is one of my favorite finds too. I didn't get it again. It's one of the things that I regret. It's Garland, a string light with skeletons. I don't think they had it yet last year. The mini lights are back for only 99 cents. I do recommend them. And look guys, here's more gnomes. I like this one more because they fit with my aesthetic better. These are only 99 cents, but I didn't grab one. I might go back today, guys. Here we have some unicorn skeletons, some lanterns. I don't remember the price of the lanterns. They're doing really good with having some of the neon 80s costume pieces. If you're like planning on maybe dressing up like the 80s, there you go. These signs, there were only $1.99, which I think they were a good price. It remind me a lot of the Target dollar spot last year. So you have Wicked, Spooky, and Haunted, I believe. Somebody else showed that. We are back to the costumes. This is $2.99, and I feel like it's a good last minute costume. You got the ladybug. This princess costumes were $4.99 or $5.99. I don't remember the price. Maybe I'll get to see it right there. No, you're not gonna get to see it, and I apologize. I know I had my children with me and I didn't record very well. I was so excited, and also was a little bit shy to be recording around other people. Here we got different gnomes. I'm not a big fan of this one, so I didn't like it as much as the other ones. Here are some toys for your pets, some Halloween related toys. My daughter was super excited to see this, even though we don't have any pets. I love this apron for $1.99, and right here you see a cape. This hat was only 99 cents. They have it on black and gray, and next to it you have some jars, some skeleton jars, and they were 99 cents. The cape. Now on your right you can see some wings. These were $3.99, and I feel like definitely that was a good price. You can go to Spirit Halloween and they will be up like $15, maybe $20 for sale. Hats with hair and a lot of more Halloween decoration, but more like head, like for your head. And let me show you the florals. I really like this florals for the Day of the Dead. For all my Hispanic people, these are great to create an altar representing of Dia de los Muertos. This bunch was $2.99, but again, it had a lot of flowers within. And these little pigs were, I believe, 99 cents. I like the purple, but my favorite one for sure was the all black. That was my favorite one. And again, I just couldn't believe they already had all of these Halloween and fall decoration. They had more Halloween than fall, but in a few more minutes I'm gonna show you the fall decoration as well. Here, oh, I dropped some, and on the really bottom they just had these roses for 99 cents, grayish, black, purple, and the red, as you guys see right now. And these maple leaves bunches were for 99 cents each. Some of them have like this, what is it called? Like metal looking, like gold. I think these are very similar to the ones that they carry at the Dollar Tree store. I seen these last year. They were 99 cents. Those peaks with glitter, the maple leaves, very nice, guys. Here we are with some of the fall decoration. On the bottom is all about like table settings. They didn't have much, but there were some on $1.99, 99 cents. I like these jars for only 99 cents. You can put a candle inside. The gnomes, again, I feel like it's been like 2 years since gnomes are like popular for every holiday and every season. This was only 99 cents, and the big ones were $2.99, I believe. Oh, $1.99, there you go. There were different designs. I see this sign was last year here too. I think it's $1.49. Oh, 99 cents. Really good price. And the trucks, I noticed that there's a lot of blue now involved with the fall decoration, and I think these signs are new. At least they didn't have it last year in my store. 99 cents. You got the word grateful, you got the word gather in blue, navy, and you have the word bless in that mustard yellow color that I loved. 99 cents. I feel like it was a good price. I remember the Dollar Tree carried some. They were they're thicker and bigger, but they were just wood, just for you to paint them. Then they had these peaks for 99 cents. I do like the quality of their floral better in the 99 cent store. And look at this big canvas they have there. Again, I feel like it was very vintage looking. And oh my goodness, they have so many pumpkins. And this little scarecrow, it's $2.99. I love the colors that they use. I regret again buying one of these cups. The pillows are back. One of the new things I saw was the ribbons are different. Lots of blue, like I mentioned before. Blue's been very trendy in the last couple of years for fall. These pumpkins is something that I saw last year. Same with these placemats. This sign I didn't see last year. I know there's more designs, but this is only $2.99, and this is the only one they had in my store. These pumpkins are 99 cents each, and I saw them last year. I really like this mini signs. This is $1.99. Again, I think it was a little bit too pricey too. But like I said previously in the video, I don't know. I'll show you some things that are $1.99 and are better looking, and the materials are more expensive. I saw these pumpkins last year. My store never carried them, and I brought this one home. They were $1.49. They're small, but the details about it, they're so nice. My daughter was showing me this one. That was $1.49. There were all different designs, different materials, different textures, different sizes. Definitely this one's I liked it, the polka dot white and orange. It was softer. This sugar like our bag, oh my goodness, I really like this one for $1.99 with the sweater looking. They had it on this mustardy color that is one of my favorites to decorate for fall, and then this kind of beige. You can see through the styrofoam of the pumpkin. This is one of my other favorite ones. This was only 99 cents, which I can't believe because it has more details, and the velvet fabric, it's more expensive, I would think. Those are back, the arrangements, those scarecrow peaks are back. This give thanks sign was only $1.99, and these big signs are so pretty. I don't recall seeing them last year. They're 99 cents each. Again, they're big, and I don't know how they handle this pricing of items. I do remember seeing these pumpkins last year. Here's something that I think you will see at Hobby Lobby. This is only 99 cents with the wooden beads. Guys, I feel like you can find this for $7, $15 at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Joann's stores. I think that this should be priced. I mean, I'm not mad that it's priced cheaper for just 99 cents, but this is something that should be like at least here in the 99-cent store a little bit more expensive, but I am glad that they haven't priced it as expensive, because look, I'm showing you more gnomes here. And now look at this big garland, kind of a garland wooden beads. $1.99, guys. $1.99, and it's just such a high quality, and it's only $1.99. And again, they had the different signs attached to it. They're very long. I like these floral arrangements. $3.99. I think they were a little bit too expensive for my liking, but again, I don't know why they price like that. Well, and now I'm showing you lots of the florals that they have. I seen this last year, and well, I'm glad that you are watching this video. Thank you for watching,